Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Fidelity Investments. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fidelity.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Fidelity Investments website. Now from the homepage, in order to log in, click on the login button at the top section and this will take you into the login portal. Now all that's left to do is enter your credentials. So type in the username that you set while creating your account, followed by your account password within the password box. Now if you are logging in from a private device, then you can check on the remember my username box. However, if this is a public device that you are logging in with, then make sure to leave this box as it is. Finally, click on the login button and you will successfully be logged into your account on Fidelity Investments. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Fidelity Investments. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.